I was watching TV the other day, one of the final episodes of Mr. Robot. It's a nice show if you like technology and the future. But in any case, in Mr. Robot, there's this character. I don't know what his name is in the show, but he's Joey Badass. He's a rapper. His name is Joey Badass, and he's sitting in a hotel room, and they're just having some conversation. It's sort of a very mellow moment, part of the show, and Joey Badass, turns over and he says, "My accountant got me stumped though. S Corp or LLC?" And that's such an interesting question because I hear it all the time. In fact, I hear clients telling me that their CPA or accountant dissolved their LLC or converted their LLC into a corporation so that they can get the benefits of an S Corp. But the issue with that, and I don't know how many CPAs or accountants don't know this, um, but an S corporation is just a tax classification. Okay. In fact, you can be an LLC, a limited liability company, which is a function of state law. You register with the state to become an LLC and still be an S corporation. That's because an S corporation is a tax election. So when you file your LLC paperwork with the state and then you request an EIN from the IRS, yes, you do have a default tax classification, but you can opt out of that default tax classification into an S corporation if you wanted to. So going back to the Mr. Robot, Joey Badass question, S Corp or LLC, his accountant or CPA in this hypothetical scenario could have recommended an LLC that is taxed as an S corp. Okay, that's beautiful right there. So now you know that you can be an LLC and an S corp at the same time. Okay, you can be a single member LLC and still elect to be an S corp. You can be a multi-member LLC whose default classification is a partnership and still elect into an S corp. Now, whether or not an S corp makes sense for you is going to depend on your business model. Um, and how you make money, how you spend money, because it doesn't make sense for all types of business. But discuss that with your attorney or your CPA or accountant if an S corp may make sense for you. But don't get bogged down into trying to figure out LLC versus S corp. I know why it's confusing, but an LLC is a state level entity, whereas S corporation is a tax classification status with the IRS. Separate things, they can be happening at the same time. Thanks for listening. Hope you learned something. I appreciate you, and now you know.